Key 4 is having the dollar sign. Key 5 is having the percentage sign. So we have the other keys too having the various symbols. Now how do I use this symbol? Because if I come to my computer and press key 1, is 1 that will appear. If I press key 2, is 2 that will appear. But I still need these special symbols that are found on these keys. How will I be able to use this? I will be able to do this using the shift key. So we can see that the shift key is very important key when it comes to our keyboard. Okay, so if you press the shift key followed by 2, it will give you this @ sign. If you press the shift key followed by 8, it will give you this asterisk sign. Now let's see how it works. Okay, now I take off everything on my screen. Now I'm holding down the shift key and I press 8. I have the asterisk sign. I press enter. I want the pound sign to appear. Pound sign is found on number 3 key. So now I put pound, I press my shift key followed by key 3. Now I have my pound sign. Maybe I want a quote. Okay, I hold my shift key and press that. I have this my double quote. Look at what I pressed over here close to the enter key. Okay, I want a semicolon. No, I want a colon. So I hold down the shift key and press this key that we have here. We press it, it gives you colon. But if you just press just this key, it will give you semicolon. It will give you semicolon. Now you can see it over here how you can make use of the symbol keys, please. So that's how to use the symbol keys to give ourselves some special symbols, symbols. Then we have the function keys. The function keys are another set of important keys on the keyboard. Okay, they are called function keys because they perform specific function when it comes to the computer. Okay, when it comes to the computer, the function keys ranges from F1 to F12. So we have 12 function keys on the keyboard. We have 12 function keys on the keyboard. We can see F1 to F12. These are the 12 function keys on the keyboard. They have specific function. They give specific commands to the computer. Another important key is the cursor control keys. Now, what is the work of cursor control keys? Cursor control key helps us to move our mouse pointer from one location to another. Mouse pointer, or move the cursor from one location to another. Now I know you will be asking yourself, what is cursor? Okay, cursor is the blinking line that appears on the monitor screen. The blinking line that appears on the monitor screen is called a cursor. It's called a cursor. Now I can use the cursor control keys, I can use the cursor control keys to move my blinking line to a particular position that I want. So the cursor control keys can also be called arrow keys. Some people call it arrow keys, while some people call it cursor control keys. Now you can see it. We have the arrow facing up, we have the arrow left, arrow down, and arrow right. Now let's see this in action. Okay, for example, I've typed my name, Benson. I've typed Nigeria. I've typed Ghana. I've typed computer science. Okay, now look at the blinking cursor. Look at the blinking cursor. It's blinking. If you look at it, it's blinking right now. After the letter E that we have in science, we look at the blinking line. It's blinking. That's the cursor. That is the cursor. Now how do I move my cursor using my cursor control keys? To do that, I want to move to the left. I press the left arrow key. On your computer, it's being represented as an arrow. You see, it's moving to the left. How do I move up? I want to move up to Benson. I move up Benson. Okay, Benson in position after O. I want it to be after N. Let the blinking cursor appear after N. I press the right arrow key. Oh, I need to move it down to Ghana. I move it to Ghana. So you can see the cursor control keys: left, right, up, down, right, left, up, down, down.